probably with most simple guitar lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Cabin by Goody on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 2. The chords you'll need are C, X, 3, 2, open, 1, open, F, X, X, 3, 2, 1, 1, or you can do 3, 2, 1, open, doesn't matter. So C, F, and then A minor, open, 2, 2, 1, open, back to F. So just 3 chords there. In the bridge, you're going to need to play the F, this F, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. It's a bar chord there. You probably, if that one's too tough for you to play, you can probably just play the regular F that I taught you before, but the bridge has this lower F in it. So 1, 3, 3, 2. And then you'll need G, 3, 2, open, 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 1. A minor, which you already know, and C, which you already know. So the 4 chords that you need for this whole song would be C, F, A minor, G, and then this F too. Same note. The strumming pattern for the majority of the song is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up on each chord. So down, so down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So for the bridge, you'll just do some straight strumming. You'll start with F to 4 hits, and then switch to G there, then to A minor, 4 hits, and to C. So that's your bridge. Gets out of the bridge